Welcome back, you hunky lagoons. Coming back at you with another episode today. We're gonna try to catch some wally bass. The skies are really cloudy today, so we're probably gonna be throwing like more of like a blade bait type deal, a little more coverage. So they're gonna be, swimming out. The boat is all ready. It's all set, ready to go. I just need to put it out, hook up the truck, and all that good stuff. So hope y'all stay tuned. Get ready for a good episode. Got it all set up real quick. We got the rods in the back of the truck to where they won't blow out. Got some supplies if we need it. The battery for the trolley. I think we are about to set sail off the Lily Creek. We are headed down Old Lily Creek right now. I just put a little gas in just to get us down there and back because there's no fucking point in putting $100 in there for no fucking reason. So we're just gonna be vibing here today and going to catch some bass, hopefully. Because man, I love them bass. There's nothing like a bass biting your lure in a partly cloudy day. I tell you what, it's just what I am looking for. Well, we caught our first fish. It is a bluegill. He's actually a false catch. Didn't really catch him by the real way, but y'all shut the fuck up. Get right here. At least the skunk is out of the boat. Bye-bye. That's the only thing I cared about. Skunk is out of the boat. Bye-bye, skunk. Especially this little boat. Look it! My hat's about to fly off. See if we can get us another one. Or something else. Different kind of species. Oh, we got another one. They're just eating this up, these bluegill are. Is this a panfish type day? Damn, not even a couple of seconds after, and we caught another one. Oh, he's pissing on me. Quit that. Sorry that I'm squeezing you, but no reason to piss. Oh. You son of a bitch. Quit it. You son of a gun. Now where's my pair of pliers? There we go. He's gone. Off the hook. Off the hook, off the snook. Off the hooky, let's get snooky. Our boat's down there just chilling, waiting for us to pick it up. I'm just gonna call it a day, honestly. I mean, I probably would stay out here. But I think that pancake from this morning is wearing off. I'd actually expect more people to be down here, but I guess people just don't come to Lily Creek as often as I thought. Because this is the closest spot to my house, other than the one I just actually went to. Because I traveled on the boat all the way to the place where I actually do go. Other times it's down on like 1611, like a church road. Oh, yes. I'm kind of disappointed, but nothing that I can't, handle. It's just fish. Yeah, let's go down there. We just got everything loaded back up. And we're just basically just chilling here for a couple minutes before we got to head out. It's only like a 10-minute drive back to my house, so it's nothing too substantial. But yeah, I got everything loaded. It's all looking Gucci. I'll tell you, this is like a perfect setup right here for me. Nothing too fancy, nothing too harsh. just right for me. But yeah, I had fun out there today. Can't say that I didn't have fun. I really like going out there on that main lake for the first time in this boat because I've never been. But yeah, we only caught those 2 fish. I did see some big bluegills about 7 inches, but I didn't have the right bait. Maybe next time I come out here, I'm gonna be probably bringing some night crawlers just to make the catch just a little bit easier. Because honestly, I mean, artificial's good and all, but only time you really need to use that is if you're like fishing a tournament or something, or you're just really trying to step up your artificial game. But usually I just use live bait because I actually want to show y'all. I want to show some content of me catching fish, not just saying, hey guys, we didn't catch that much. I hope you all understand. It's all good to go, ready to roll, and head back home. Probably gonna hit you on out of here.